Welcome to Let's Talk, the podcast where we explore the vast realms of spirituality, metaphysics, mysticism, and the wisdom of ancient books. My name is Yusef, and I am your Pleiadian host from the Sirius star cluster, here to guide you on a journey of enlightenment, curiosity, and discovery. First, let me extend the warmest welcome to each of you, whether you're a seasoned traveler on the spiritual path or just beginning to explore these fascinating topics. This is your space. Together, we'll dive deep into questions about the universe, consciousness, and the mysteries of existence. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you enjoy our content. Your support means the world to us, and it helps ensure that this growing community continues to thrive. We value your thoughts, so please don't hesitate to share your comments below, whether it's feedback, questions, or ideas for future episodes. We are thrilled to hear from you. Your voice shapes this channel, and we're committed to doing our best to provide content that inspires and resonates with you. So sit back, relax, and let's talk. The journey awaits.